Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. New Year is just around the corner. Let's celebrate the beginning of another beautiful year with a glass of delightful non-alcoholic champagne. It not only looks and tastes amazing, but also supports your well-being. Today, I'll share the Ars Koso special postbiotic non-alcohol champagne recipe. Here's what you need: fresh white grape juice, some bubbly sparkling water, rosemary, and of course, the secret ingredient, Ars Koso, your gut's best friend. Making this drink is super easy as always. Pour a tablespoon of Ars Koso, 50 ml of the white grape juice, 50 ml of sparkling water into a glass. The plum wine-like flavor of the Ars Koso and the grape's natural sweetness form the perfect base for the non-alcoholic champagne. Ars Koso also brings a host of health benefits to the party, as it is a great source of probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics that support our gut health. Top of this non-alcoholic champagne with a sprig of fresh rosemary, and there's the perfect combination of the sweetness of the grape juice, the refreshing bubbles from the sparkling water, and the health-boosting goodness of Ars Koso. Cheers to a happy and healthy new year!